Yeah, that's fine. We're in! Woo! We're in! Shout out to Rigo. What up? So we're at Mohegan Sun right now. We're about to have some food because we're hungry, so we came to Chick-fil-A and see what's up with this. Hopefully the food is good. It should be good, but yeah, so we'll get back to the show in 1 minute. All right, so here we are. We are finally at the show. The gates have been opened and there's a lot of people coming in here. So check it out. Shout out to Mario, what up? Look familiar? That's the person I'm going head to head, so I better win. To all of you that I messaged and got to vote for me, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. We'll get some good news towards the end of the day, hopefully. If not, you'll hear it too. For now, I'm gonna take a pause.
Yo, what up, yo? Who's winning? What? goes to AJ with his Tesla Model 3.
There you have it. I lost it.